Good morning. Today is the NorCal's CRX owners cruise, and I am super late. Memo, you're not amused either, right? We all want to stay sleeping, bro. I feel you. So I'm gonna try to get to the first meetup spot where the initial cruise is gonna start, and the drive is 45 minutes, and I have 45 minutes to get there. Well, I made it here, and I noticed one thing about my car is that it's wobbling on one of the wheels, and I believe it may not be balanced, but we're not dead, so we're here. And I mean, it's a fair number of cars. We saw the roll call yesterday, and there weren't many people that were raising hands that they were gonna be out here, but nonetheless, we have a fair amount of cars. There's still some over there getting breakfast at the Blackbird Diner. Hey Chad, we have a different route this time? Yeah. We're not gonna spend like 6-7 hours on the 9 no more, right? No. All right. So
we're not gonna lose this guy. We're not gonna lose 2 hours. 2 hours.
Hey Chad, I got a present for you.
Uh-oh. What's the present?
I want to give a big shout out to my boy Chewy for coming through. He definitely helped me out on this one because I always wanted to help Chad with the deal. And there's your stickers.
Thanks, man.
Oh,
Thanks, Chewy.
And it ain't 10 that I told you on the phone. You can count that. Oh, and it ain't just white either. But the black one is mine. The black one's mine. Because I gotta replace the white one that's on my car, right? But that's 30 plus, I believe, like 8 or 9 of 4 different colors. So you got red, blue, teal, the cursed Y49, and a ton of whites. So hopefully that right there, if you can get them sold, would help you run this like you've always been for the last how many years?
9 years.
9 years, man. I think that's the way for us to contribute, or for me and Chewy to contribute to you, man, because I know you work pretty hard on what you do to organize all the meets and the cruises. So that's from us to you, man.
All right, thanks guys. Thanks, Chewy.
Hell yeah, Chewy.
Thanks, Dana.
I'm not sure if that's a real smile, but he's super stoked. I know he is. That thumbs up, that means a lot right there, man. So we are at the second meetup spot, and this is the same spot as last time, and we didn't lose anybody, so that's definitely a plus. Right here, you know, grab some snacks and drinks real quick, gas. Guys, I didn't bring any attachments for the GoPro for when we start the initial cruise, but if I don't get any footages for you guys, I apologize. I'm gonna try my best to stick my hand out the window, get a little something for you guys. And I forgot to charge the camera too, so if the camera dies, I apologize again. I'll try to use my phone. But we just met up with this this beautiful black CRX right here. Oh my god, this one just pulled up out of nowhere. Love it. Oh my god, where is our camera guy? Come on, Stevie, we need you out of the car, take some pictures, bro. This is beautiful. Look at this lineup. We lost one CRX, the Verdant CRX, because he had to head back home, but it is all gravy. Now we're ready to go. I feel like I'm driving along the coast of Hawaii. Like, it reminds me so much when I was out there in Maui. Hey guys, so we just made it to the second stop. We're at Waddell Beach, so this is the bathroom break second stop, and bathrooms right there. They are windsurfing over there. That's pretty cool. And we're just scattered all over the freaking place because this beach seems to be popular and there ain't no freaking parking. So we are nearing Santa Cruz, and our final destination is going to be Apto Street Barbecue. So that's probably like another 30 minutes from here, and then we're gonna enjoy a great meal before we go to our final destination for the photo shoot. So 2 more destinations. We are being escorted by Santa Cruz PD. Because we're that awesome.
Now the thing started coming off, so like I rattle can it, and then that's what started coming off. So, really
dang. All right, guys. Well, we're here, and the Apto Street Barbecue it's on the other side of the street. We got to walk around because it's really tight knit with the parking here. But the cool part is right there where the white and the 2 CRXs at, the yellow ones, the lady wanted one of these cars in high school. So she was like, yeah, it's cool, go ahead and park here. She actually loves these cars. So as soon as we started pulling up one by one, she had the biggest smile in her face, like, yo, she's in heaven right now. Actually, she's talking to all of them over there right now. But we're gonna start our journey because I'm almost certain that all of us is super hungry, and let's go check out that menu. Cook this barbecue outside, boys. Aptos Street Barbecue. Oh my God, that's a lot of people. No way, they walked around. Oh, yeah. They got the live band going on. You guys, a lot of you guys got the sandwiches, huh?
We knew we were gonna be standing up.
I got a big ass meal.
Oh, I'm still full from breakfast.
Oh, I'm still waiting, but they ain't got no more tables for us. It'd be dope if this was like a 2-story, but nonetheless, the barbecue here is pretty dope. Come on, vatos loco. You're trying to take a group picture, eh? Come on, right there.
Tell everybody to go.
Let him park real quick. Yeah, he's gonna bap that Civic though, watch. Hell no, let's tell this fool to put on his hood. Oh, he's a G. He's keeping that space open right here. Hell yeah. Let's get it. All right, set it up. Oh, almost got killed by a bicycle. Right here.
Where are you gonna run to? Where? Run to me. Right here. Right here.
Just lay straight out.
Right here. With open arms. There you go. Jeez. That's it. All right.
There it is. If everybody's ready, we're gonna get ready to go to the next spot, the last spot, which is where we took our photo last year. It's like that way. If you see me, then you need me, then you know you have to go. Fast and Furious Drift. Guys, we are at the last spot. Sort of beachfront. The beach is at the bottom. We're up top. Found a nice spot. Originally, we parked along the curve last year, but there are already people there. So fortunately, we have enough space here to park 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars. And the beautiful part about this is that we started with 14 cars and we ended it with 14 cars. Oh, and thank you to Ryan for not leaving, because he was gonna leave from the barbecue spot. Stevie, you better share that photo. Thank you. Keeping the CRXs alive one at a time, right, Chad?
Yep.
Hell yeah. That curse color.
This is awesome, dude.
Hey, your car is beautiful, bro.
Dude.
I drove behind your car and I was like, the whole thing I was looking at was like, damn, that sway bar.
Oh.
I love that sway bar.
Green, it's green.
Yeah, yeah. You know he ain't gonna sell a CRX when he's been talking about it for like 3 years, bro. He still got it.
Hey, sell your kidney, sell the car, sell the kidney.
CRX is life, bro. I'm gonna be selling mine really soon too, though. You ain't gonna sell it. Trust me.
I have no more chill. What?
What? No mames. I was gonna say.
As soon as you put that, I'm gonna fucking do it.
Behind the scenes. Chad, what's going on, Chad? Making some weird noises.
Yeah, coming from the distributor.
That squeak, 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 huh?
Yeah.
Damn, the Pierce has a messed up valve cover. I like that. That's all original right there.
That's what makes it pure.
Hey. Meow Meow's probably yelling at me right now because nobody's there to feed him. But anyways, guys, everybody started departing one at a time, and we are down to 4 cars. We are going to end today right now, but we are still going to caravan back down the hill, headed in the direction of... Steve's car smokes too? Holy shit.
Yeah, it does.
God damn, that thing smokes. So my car smokes, his car smokes, Ryan's car smokes. I think all the cars smoke. Hey, how you doing? She was cute. She was cute. Anyways, we had a blast. We had a great time. 14 cars left. 14 cars made it here. We had a great lunch with everybody. I should have recorded more, but we were all just having a good time. So if you guys like today's coverage of the 6th annual cruise,
yeah,
give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see some more cool content like this, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.